guys, I hope you're all doing well. I am Dyasha Naik who shares solutions related to your skin and hair care issues through few tips, tricks and DIYs. Today is going to be again about a DIY. It's a rose petal face and body mask. Rose petals provide various essentials to our skin to maintain its youthfulness and glow through these cold winters. Now to know how to make this mask and what are the benefits this mask carries, then keep on watching. At first you need rose petal powder. This one is the one which I made and have showed you how to make it in my previous video. Then amla powder, then multani mitti and milk as per requirement to make the mask. For the mask, you need 2 tablespoons of rose petal powder, 1.5 tablespoon of amla powder, 2 tablespoon of multani mitti and milk as per requirement to make a thick consistency of the mask. You might require 4 to 5 tablespoons of milk at least. This mask is very moisturizing and never dries your skin out due to the presence of rose petals and milk. It is very nourishing to your skin as well, and it provides a very natural glow to your skin. Now this mask is very helpful in producing collagen, increases skin's elasticity and helps to remove dead skin cells from your skin. It helps to provide glow to your dull and dehydrated skin. This glow helps your skin look fresh and youthful during winters. Mix all the ingredients very nicely. Do not let any of the lumps be there. Mix it well until it becomes this thick in consistency. This mask is for both face as well as body. Here the video, I will be applying it only on my face. Once you are done with all the mixing of the mask, apply it on your damp face and neck as well as body. Apply it properly all over your skin and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Let all the benefits get soaked in within your skin before washing it off. The damp skin means a slightly wet skin. This mask works amazing during winters. In this cold, it provides nourishment to your dull and dehydrated skin. It makes your skin glow and look fresh. The rose petal is an essential ingredient which provides glow and increases skin's elasticity. Amla helps to increase collagen and reduces pigmentation. It also helps to reduce acne as well. Multani mitti is very oily skin friendly. Like people like me who have really oily skin, it reduces oiliness, unclogs pores, prevents acne. And milk is very nourishing to every skin type during winters. It never dries out your skin, rather moisturizes, nourishes, relieves sunburn, and even skin texture. The mask have started to dry out. Don't let it dry completely. Just after 10 to 15 minutes exactly, it looks like this when you will think that you need to wash it off while scrubbing it simultaneously. Do it just the way I'll be showing you here how to do it in a scrubbing motion on while you are washing it off. The scrubbing here helps to increase blood circulation and removes dead skin cells on your skin, basically on the surface of your skin, which helps to rejuvenate your skin as well as makes your skin increases elasticity. Do not apply too much pressure on your skin because this will not be very good for your skin. Rather, this scrubbing is very good to relax your skin. So be gentle with the pressure you will be applying on your skin. Be very gentle with it, and then wash off the marks properly. Once you are done with scrubbing off the mask and washing it off all over your face and body properly, then do moisturize. If you want to, it's not a very drying mask, so if you don't want, then you don't need to moisturize. But if you have a dry and sensitive skin, then apply moisturizer. Oily skin, it's not compulsory to moisturize at all, but I did moisturize with aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is also optional, you can use anything you want to moisturize your skin. I applied the aloe vera gel properly to massage my skin to let it relax a little more, and finish it off while applying a lip balm with it. Now the lip balm is from Plum Candy Melts range, and it's in the shade Berry Feast. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you all and you enjoyed it. If you liked the video, then do hit the like button, comment and subscribe. To hit the bell icon to be the first one to watch my content. Thank you so much for your time and patience. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.